With the average price of a car rising and repair costs climbing higher, driving a reliable vehicle is more important than ever. Used vehicles can provide an excellent value compared to buying new, but not all models hold up well over time. Investing your hard-earned money in an unreliable used car or SUV can lead to headaches like frequent repairs, unexpected costs, and significant inconveniences that make you rue the day you ever considered buying your unreliable ride. To help you make informed decisions, we've compiled a list of the most unreliable used cars and SUVs based on J.D. Power predicted reliability scores. These ratings are calculated using 3 years of comprehensive data on initial quality and dependability. So let's dive in. As Jaguar's first all-electric SUV, the 2019 I-Pace boasts brisk acceleration and high-end interior craftsmanship. Its electric powertrain offers a respectable range, making it a standout among premium electric vehicles. If not for its dismal predicted reliability score, this SUV would be perfect for those seeking both innovation and sophistication. This Jag's infotainment system is known for being sluggish and unintuitive, which can be especially frustrating on the go. While the 2019 I-Pace captures attention with its boldness, there's nothing desirable about its frustrating infotainment system or being stranded on the side of the road. Few vehicles are as synonymous with fuel efficiency as the 2020 Toyota Prius. This hybrid offers excellent gas mileage, making it a practical choice for eco-conscious drivers. Its spacious cargo area and comfortable seating further enhance its reputation as a commuter-friendly option. That said, its lackluster cabin materials might disappoint those expecting a more premium feel, especially given its price point. Additionally, its surprising predicted reliability score raises concerns for what is otherwise known as a dependable nameplate. Though efficient and versatile, the 2020 Prius struggles to compete in an increasingly crowded hybrid market. Polished craftsmanship and composed driving dynamics are central to the 2021 Audi Q5. This luxury compact SUV shines with its rich interior that showcases a seamless blend of comfort and agility, in addition to a wealth of cutting-edge technology features. Few rivals manage to strike such a balance between practicality and sophistication. However, drawbacks include a complicated infotainment system that demands extra effort to master. Buyers may also hesitate over its poor predicted reliability, which detracts from the vehicle's overall appeal. While the 2021 Q5 makes a strong case with its luxurious feel and capable performance, reliability concerns and tech usability are limiting factors. Spacious and family-friendly, the 2021 Chrysler Pacifica offers a premium interior and lots of versatility. It boasts a smooth ride, an available all-wheel drive system, and one of the most user-friendly infotainment systems around. These features make it an appealing choice for large families. Still, its predicted reliability score falls short of the class average, which is a potential concern for long-term ownership. While generally comfortable, its driving dynamics are less refined compared to some competitors. For those prioritizing space and technology, the Pacifica is a worthy contender, though its shortcomings might leave some buyers searching elsewhere. Efficiency takes center stage in the 2021 Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid, a minivan that flaunts plug-in hybrid technology that other minivans can't compete against. Drivers get a short 32-mile electric-only range before needing to use gas power. The cabin remains as upscale and roomy for passengers as the non-hybrid version, making it a smart choice for eco-conscious families. On the downside, the hybrid system's battery pack cuts into available cargo space, reducing its practicality compared to the standard Pacifica. A bad predicted reliability also raises concerns about long-term durability. While the Pacifica Hybrid provides a comfortable ride and fuel-saving benefits, these strengths are offset by limited practicality and potential reliability issues. Bold Italian styling and responsive handling make the 2016 Fiat 500X an attractive choice for city drivers. Its space-conscious design stands out in the subcompact SUV class, and the intuitive infotainment system enhances the daily drive. It's not all pretty with this Fiat. Cramped rear seats could pose an issue for even the shortest passengers. Another drawback is the below-average predicted reliability, which may raise concerns for those looking for long-term dependability. With its lively performance and fashionable appearance, the 500X is a fun urban companion, but it's not the best choice when life gets busy. Embracing all-electric innovation, the 2021 Audi e-tron offers a serene and stable driving experience, typical of a luxury SUV. The cabin fuses high-quality materials and contemporary styling. Cutting-edge technology and effortless handling make it a compelling choice for those making their first foray into the EV market. Aside from questionable reliability, the e-tron's battery range doesn't match up to some rivals, potentially restricting its suitability for extended trips. It also lacks the roomy back seats of some competitors. Enthusiasts seeking elegance paired with eco-friendly advancements may find this model appealing, whereas others might prefer vehicles with greater versatility. Exemplifying Scandinavian elegance, the 2017 Volvo XC90 makes a strong case in the luxury midsize SUV class with its emphasis on safety and interior refinement. The spacious cabin combines practicality with upscale finishes, offering comfortable accommodations for families and a touch of luxury in every detail. Navigating the complex infotainment system can be a challenge for some users, however, and its anxiety-inducing predicted reliability score might give prospective buyers pause. While the XC90 impresses with its design and protective features, it may fall short for those seeking user-friendly technology and die-hard reliability. The 2021 Toyota Supra captivates with its bold looks and sporty road manners. Enthusiasts will appreciate the exhilaration granted by its agile handling and rapid acceleration. The interior features upscale materials and ergonomically designed seats, balancing comfort with performance. The Supra sacrifices practicality in the name of athleticism, offering minimal cargo capacity and tight quarters. Those looking for spirited driving will find it in the Supra, but for more versatility, seek alternatives that offer the same excitement without compromises. Some Toyota loyalists may be surprised by its low predicted reliability rating, but true fans know this two-seater shares many components with the drop-top BMW Z4. Distinctive design meets luxury in the 2017 Infiniti QX30, a luxury subcompact SUV that stands out with its elegant styling and plush interior. You can count on this crossover for nimble handling and a smooth ride, making the driving experience quite enjoyable. Inside, premium materials and meticulous attention to detail create a sophisticated cabin environment. Nevertheless, the QX30 may disappoint those needing ample rear seating and generous cargo space, as its interior dimensions are more constrained than those of some competitors. Buyers valuing style and responsive performance in a smaller footprint will appreciate this model, whereas those seeking greater practicality might consider other options. Introducing a fresh take on the iconic Mustang legacy, the 2021 Ford Mustang Mach-E merges American heritage, all-electric power, and the versatility of an SUV. Brisk acceleration and a smooth ride enhance your time behind the wheel. The cabin is a showcase of cutting-edge safety features, sleek design elements, and user-friendly infotainment tech that makes getting into the Mach-E something to look forward to. On the downside, the vehicle's sophisticated system is overly complex, not to mention the awful predicted reliability score. Enthusiasts ready to adopt electric mobility will find the Mach-E appealing for its spirited performance and innovative features, but some buyers may wish to choose a different EV. Sporting a striking silhouette, the 2018 Range Rover Velar exudes sophistication and style. World-class interior materials and oodles of advanced technology make for a cabin worth bragging about. It can cater to a diverse array of driving needs, with versatile performance that ensures polished behavior on the road and rugged performance off the beaten path. Like many Land Rovers, the Velar is plagued by reliability issues. Additionally, some rivals feature more user-friendly infotainment systems. Brand fanatics attracted to its elegant design and capability should weigh these important factors when considering their purchase. Adventure seekers will appreciate the balance of ruggedness and family-friendly design of the 2016 Land Rover Discovery Sport. It has passenger space for days, with an option for a 7-passenger configuration, while cargo space is even more generous. A robust set of off-road features instills confidence across various terrain. Aside from having one of the lowest predicted reliability scores on record, the Discovery Sport's on-road performance lacks the polish you get with some competitors. Despite these issues, it's hard to discount this Land Rover's roominess and versatility, especially for those valuing utility and exploration.